Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Niomia's Opinion, where I encourage you to become a better version of yourself, and together we can all grow. Now, before we continue, please pause the video to read this disclaimer. Now, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And I know that I haven't posted in a while, but that's because I've been busy with my personal life between work, starting a new job, celebrations, birthdays, graduations, weddings, you have it every single weekend. So this is probably the first week that I've had off in quite a while. So I thank you for your patience. Now we're going to get into part 2 of the road to a healthy lifestyle. This series is going to be about dieting, and it's pretty much going to be my take on dieting and some things that you need to know before you start your weight loss journey. Now, the first thing that you need to know is before you start dieting, right, you need to know the difference between dieting and an actual lifestyle. So dieting, they'll try to sell you some things like doing like a keto diet, or maybe like a Mediterranean or a paleo, or even intermittent fasting. But honestly, any diet that tells you that you need to be eating less than the recommended amount of calories in a day, this is what you call a calorie deficit, is the opposite of what you actually want to be doing. Because as soon as you get off that diet, or let's say you have a cheat day, or it's the holiday, you eat more than what you would have on a diet, even if you didn't go over that recommended daily amount, you will gain weight almost instantly. And that's something that I had struggled with at least 2 times within the past year. Not only that, but you should really do some research. You want to talk to your dietitian or your healthcare provider before making any of those sudden moves regarding diet. Let's say you like to go to a Culver's. If you're not familiar with Culver's, it's a burger place and they sell like amazing burgers. Not everybody likes their burgers, but I personally love their burgers. Now, if you look that up on a chart, it will tell you how many calories are actually in that meal, including like the butter burger basket. And you can just go through the list of things to see how many calories are in that, and if that's something that you should be eating right now. The average American eats about 3,600 calories a day, and 3,500 calories equals a whole pound. So just imagine a person eating a pound a day. They're probably not doing too much physical activity. Where do you think that the weight goes? Now, I'm not saying that you have to calorie count, but if you look up all the types of food that you generally like to eat throughout the day, throughout the week, I would honestly make a list of like your top 5 to top 10 favorite restaurants that you like to go to, like almost on a daily basis, and look at the menu and just write down your favorite meals and next to it how many calories are in that meal. And then the same thing with your favorite soda, your favorite chips, etc. And then see if you can substitute it for something else. Let's say you usually get like a double cheeseburger from McDonald's or something with all the bacon and all the condiments and stuff on it. But a regular cheeseburger, just like a single patty, wouldn't be something that would satisfy your hunger. Now, something that I've learned that helps me with satisfying my hunger is just eating more vegetables with my food. If you can make your food at home, the less likely you are to feel hungry afterwards. So things that make you want to eat more are stuff that is loaded with added sugar, added salt, and added fats. That could be butter, oil, you name it. You know, a lot of people, they'll be like, oh, you know, I ate some vegetables today, but maybe they sauteed it and put like a ton of olive oil or whatever butter and stuff that you want to put on there. Like just this much butter, like a tablespoon of butter is 100 calories. Instead, what I would do is I would steam my vegetables and I would still add like the same seasonings on there. It just wouldn't be any butter on it at all. Next thing you need to be aware of is drinking your calories. And this means like sodas, alcohol. You know, sodas and alcohol pretty much contain about the same amount of calories per serving. So just keep that in mind, especially like if you're an adult and you like to go out drinking with your friends, but you're also trying to lose weight. What I do to combat that, I schedule all of my snacks and I schedule all of my drinks. So if I know that I'm going to be going out to eat later, I might skip out on a snack in between the day. I might just have one snack instead of eating snacks just whenever I feel like I want to eat snacks. I'm like, oh yeah, I could just wait out until lunch, or I could just wait out until later. And then that way I'll be able to enjoy my food without having like a huge consequence on my diet. Let's say after work you turn on the TV and you're watching one of your favorite shows, binge watching something. Guess what? You're also going to end up binge eating. So that's why I say you have to plan your snacks accordingly. And if you're the type of person who likes to eat a lot while you're watching TV, try not to have the snacks there. Or if you just absolutely have to have something there, try to find something that's lower in calories so that it doesn't mess up your diet. And then make sure that it's something that you enjoy as well. When it comes to losing weight, exercise is not the end all be all. You can be in the gym 5 days a week and you will still hit a plateau. What I want to tell you is just to keep going. It took me 6 months so far to lose 30 pounds and I'm really proud of myself for that. But I know that I still have a bit of a way to go, and you know, I'll try to post my progress maybe, but I'll probably post it when I am closer to my goal than what I am right now. Now in my next video, I am going to be discussing the mental health aspect when it comes to weight loss, the type of things that you're going to be dealing with in the meantime, especially when you hit that plateau. Now, if you're interested in that video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day. This is so you can see like where I am right now. I went down from a size 16 to a size 10, so. And here's where I was before.